Are you looking for safe, reliable dividend stocks that will pay you for years to come? Imagine building a portfolio that not only grows over time, but also sends you steady income without lifting a finger. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 dividend stocks to buy and hold forever. These companies have strong financials, consistent dividend payments, and the potential for long-term growth. Stick around to the end because I'll share a bonus tip on how to maximize your dividend income with the smart reinvestment strategy. Dividend stocks are a favorite among long-term investors because they provide passive income through regular payouts, potential for capital appreciation as the company grows, and a hedge against inflation as many companies increase dividends over time. And when you reinvest those dividends, your wealth compounds faster than ever. Coming in at number 5 is Johnson & Johnson, a healthcare giant with a diverse portfolio of pharmaceuticals, medical devices, and consumer health products. J&J has raised its dividend for over 60 consecutive years, making it a Dividend King. With a current yield of about 3%, it offers steady income while maintaining strong earnings growth. Its global presence and innovation in healthcare make it a recession-proof investment. If you're looking for stability and a dependable payout, Johnson & Johnson is hard to beat. At number 4, we have Coca-Cola, the iconic beverage brand loved by billions worldwide. Coca-Cola has paid dividends for more than 100 years and has increased its payout for 61 consecutive years. Its business model thrives during good and bad economic times, making it a defensive stock that performs well even during downturns. With a current yield of around 3%, Coca-Cola is perfect for those seeking reliable income with a global brand that never goes out of style. Number 3 on our list is Procter & Gamble, a consumer goods giant that owns brands like Tide, Pampers, and Gillette. PG has increased its dividend for 67 consecutive years, solidifying its place as the Dividend King. With a yield of about 2.5%, P&G offers consistent income while maintaining strong brand loyalty across multiple product categories. Its ability to pass on rising costs to consumers ensures stability and growth even during inflationary periods. At number 2, we have Realty Income, known as the Monthly Dividend Company. Realty Income is a real estate investment trust that pays monthly dividends with a current yield of around 5.7%. It owns over 12,000 properties leased to reliable tenants in recession-resistant industries like convenience stores, pharmacies, and grocery stores. With over 100 consecutive quarterly dividend increases, Realty Income offers both stability and a high yield for income-seeking investors. And finally, the top dividend stock to buy and hold forever is Microsoft, the tech powerhouse behind Windows, Office, and Azure Cloud. While Microsoft's yield is lower at about 0.8%, its dividend growth rate has been phenomenal, with a 5-year CAGR of over 10%. Microsoft's dominance in software, cloud computing, and AI makes it a growth powerhouse while still rewarding shareholders. For investors looking to balance growth and dividend income, Microsoft is an excellent choice. Before we wrap up, here's a quick bonus tip. Reinvest your dividends. This allows you to buy more shares, which leads to compounding growth over time. By enrolling in a dividend reinvestment plan, you can automatically reinvest your dividends and supercharge your wealth. Let's recap the top 5 dividend stocks to buy and hold forever. Number 1, Microsoft. Number 2, Realty Income. Number 3, Procter & Gamble. Number 4, Coca-Cola. Number 5, Johnson & Johnson. If you found this list helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It keeps me motivated to keep making content. And let me know in the comments what's your favorite dividend stock to hold forever. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.